data scientists and data enthusiasts. Welcome to my channel 5 Minutes of AI. And today we will discuss a medical information extraction pipeline, which is very in demand in the market. And AI giants like AWS, John Snow Labs, and Friendly Case is investing heavily in it. And so, this project, which I will be discussing today, will give you an edge in your interviews, and you can proudly put this on your resume. So let me tell you what we are doing actually theoretically. So left image over here. This is your record. This is a report. This is a pathology report. So it could be pathology report, radiology report, or a doctor prescription, whatever it is. But it should have a diagnosis written. So over here we have three diagnosis and descriptions. And the right side image, this image is your ICD code over here and description for that ICD code. Okay. So our task is very simple. We will take this description. Okay. Create its embedding, and we will create embedding for all these ICD description in the database. Okay, and what we will do, we will do a similarities match. And what we will get a score. We will get a score and the most match description. So now what we will do, so for that description in the database, we will try to find the ICD code on that location, and we will return ICD code plus description. We will return ICD code plus description. So you might have this thing like what is ICD code and all. So here is a small intro I have created for you. Please go through it.